From the beggars' lives to they are becoming the emperors. Every day morning almost, I need this, I want that, I want that. Everybody's living like the beggar's life. The moment they experience the Brahmananda, their lives will be transformed as emperor's life.
Grand Master Prabodh Achyutha is a meditation teacher for the last 20 plus years. He has the gift of lucid dreaming and astral travel. He is called the God of Dreams.
Happiness is highest priority in my life. Whatever the things are there, whatever the situations are there, I wanted to be happy. But meditation helped me to be happy all the time.
Hundreds of people got practical Atma Sakshatkara experience in his workshops. He can get into ultimate bliss, that's Brahmananda state, by will.
So thoughtless stage is just a simple thing for Gudakeshas. Thoughtless stage is nothing.
He saw his several past lives as husband, father, scientist, king, Tibetan monk, guru, etc.
Sleep is time waste when you know the meditation. That's what I would say. They are meditating for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, but they say that still I have not mastered the mind. Many people are like that. Here, Gudakesha is an absolute solution for that. The enjoying all the night sleep is called Gudakesha. Enjoying every moment, what a blissfulness it is, what an amazing sleep I am having, what an energy, nourishment I am having.
He conducted many workshops about meditation, lucid dreaming, astral travel, abundance and prosperity. He experimented on himself without sleeping for 18 plus years. Yes, 18 plus years.
Efficiency of the taking the energies, more and more energies they are able to receive in less time.
He conducts signature Gudakesha workshops spanning 14 nights. It opens the doorway of human consciousness to gain sleep mastery and thoughtlessness. He trains several competitive exam aspirants to reduce their sleep time requirements. He conducted workshops in several places of India, England, Wales, United States of America and Thailand. He is also a martial arts black belt taekwondo master. He did 35 hours of continuous meditation in one sitting. He did continuous 522 hours of meditation with only natural breaks.
If you know something, you feel that that's the best thing according to your consciousness, your intellect, start doing it. And start doing it massively, as much as possible. That's what I believe. And also I believe that Buddha says, for doing good things, don't stop, don't wait. Do it instantaneously.
Please join me in welcoming Gudakesha Grand Master Prabodh Achyutha only on PMC English. Hello and welcome to PMC English. I'm your host Idris and a very warm welcome to our show. In this show we have a great senior pyramid master here, Mr. Prabodhji. A very warm welcome to our studio.
Thank you very much.
It's a pleasure to have you on board. For beginners, what do you suggest? Simply how they can start it, how they can join it. So what are the basics?
So for beginners, initially I used to teach this all-night meditation for the only senior people, senior meditators. At least 5 years if they are able to meditate. Then only I used to teach. But one time when I started teaching one night workshop, one person came, she just started meditation from the last 1 month only.
Right.
Or 15 days or 1 month, less than that. True beginner. Then she is able to meditate for half an hour a day, that's all. Then I said, okay, just to meditate, I just gave her the technique. If you wanted to continue, you can continue, but if you wanted to sleep, you can go to other room and sleep, because here in this hall and in the pyramid, we meditate all night. And I just told her 2 minutes how to do all night meditation, that's all. She sat, but at 10 o'clock in the night, morning till morning 6 o'clock, she was sitting there only. That's where I realized, oh, and probably I need to reconsider. So I need to open the applications for new people also. Right. Because we don't know how many great persons are there in the, although they look like new people, but we don't know what is their background in their last incarnation practice, whatever is there. And their stability, their inner power, their strength of willpower. Right. So that's the reason I am inviting for all the new beginners also, the Gudakesha workshop. We will conduct in Hindi and English and Kannada, Tamil, other languages also. Right.
It's very difficult to gauge the person from the appearance because as you said, a beginner might be senior in a way.
spiritually he might be senior, because a lot of people come with a lot of dedication. As you said, you had one example that a person who joined and she could actually stand completely in meditation complete night, right? And when you teach this meditation, how do you start? What are the basics?
They can go to my YouTube channel, GMPWisdom. GMPWisdom.
GMPWisdom.
So in that YouTube channel, if they go to playlist, Yoga Nidra audios are there. So I start with them the Yoga Nidra audios. So they can just for 5 minutes or 15 minutes or 24 minutes or 30 minutes, some audios are there. Just play the audios and sit there. Then what happens is they automatically start relaxing your body from part to part, then automatically connect to the Anapanasati meditation. That's what I recommend them. And even the cancer patients also, cancer 4th stage also, one person got into that. And the doctors said, even they stopped the medication, they said, okay, we can't do anything. That person, she is doing the Yoga Nidra audios because to relieve the pain. Instead of pain relief tablets, she is doing this one.
These audios.
These audios. So that is kind of a relaxing to her. So certain benefit it is giving to everyone. So one can start with that, and slowly, once the moment anyone is having any health problems, Yoga Nidra is kind of a sanjeevani for them. Every day, 5 times a day. Morning 5 minutes, afternoon 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes. 5 times a day, if they can do it, then they are seeing the lot of benefits. Changes and benefits. Yeah. It's about art of relaxation, Yoga Nidra. That helps them in nighttime meditation also. Because that they already can develop the skill, and how can they do the all night meditation, they can work on that one.
Is age any bar doing this meditation, or anyone is welcome?
Yeah, anyone is welcome. So currently, as I said, 76 years person meditating in the last batch, and from 1 years onwards youngsters are meditating. And next batch, like even this side more younger children are coming, that side more elderly people are coming. So everybody is getting benefits out of it.
Amazing. Is there anything else apart from that you want to share us with about Gudakesha?
Kanchi Paramacharya, he is the head who appointed from the Jagadguru Shankaracharya. Okay, so he said everybody is having the Paramasukha, that means ultimate happiness is there in the sleep only. One should penetrate that, one should get that one. He said that one. So that's a beautiful quotation. All the Shastras, everyone is saying in the deep sleep only, everyone is visiting the Satyaloka, that means ultimate bliss. So one should have that one experience. Once they have that experience, they feel that real enjoyment they can experience. I'll ask you one question. Okay, do you wanted to take the mango and you eat the mango enjoyingly, or one doctor comes and says that why to eat mango, just I'll give you anesthesia, I'll give you saline, within half an hour you will get energy inside, glucose, you will get the energy. Even if you eat mango also, within half an hour only you will get the energy, but here easily, why to eat mango? If they say, what do you prefer, eating mango or you want saline bottle?
It's a very tricky question.
You are enjoying here, but there you, it's like you.
Yeah, we don't know what's happening, but yeah, we are in a.
Finally, you will be having the same energy.
So of course, a normal person would prefer enjoying
it, right? So in the same way, in the sleep, everyone gets energy, certain energy they get. But here, you are enjoying, you are aware and enjoying every moment, how the energy is nourishing you, how much you are enjoying it, every cell, how the energy is coming inside you. So that enjoyment is there here. That's the reason there is a satisfaction also improves, and also more energy, because you are learning how to take the energy consciously, and you are mastering the mind, how to go to thoughtless stage very quickly. Gudakesha first stage is go to thoughtless stage very quickly within a second. That is first stage of Gudakesha. Go to sleep in a sitting posture. Eventually next levels are there that you can reduce the sleep time and more energy, more consciousness expansion. And also within these 40 days they will be able to how to meditate in the night, and also morning to evening how to do their works more with awareness, consciously, more mindfully, more lovingly, more in the connection with the oneness, more observing the energies without losing the energies, more happily, with a smile on their face. So it's like a complete course for morning and evening. Gudakesha is not only the night workshop, it is the tips and tricks that will be helpful in the morning time.
Right.
Because that's how morning is beneficial for night. Night time is complementing the morning.
Correct.
Because the energies are linked. So that's where they learn that one also.
So this is not meant for night, but you can practice in daytime for a longer period of time, but the condition is you don't have to sleep, right?
Once you started the Gudakesha workshop, you do not lie down for not even a minute. So that's the only condition. And also we'll be there to support. We'll be observing. Most of the time, if you're properly certain healthy, we recommend that. Otherwise, we'll just see and observe, analyze, and we give some other suggestions also. Take it in a comfortable and easy manner. No need to do any adventures here. Just easily one can do, because the technology is already out. Already the research has already made, and now 600 people are already done.
Correct.
The seniors are there. It's not only one person's job anymore. It's not only one person who is a genius and only he can do it anytime. No other person cannot do it. It's not like that anymore. The formulas are derived and they properly tested, and they already gave to others. So first level is becoming enlightenment is great. Second level is teaching enlightenment is next level. But third level is, are the results are coming? How much percentage the results are coming? Last batch 440 people. 90% of the people completed the 40 nights meditation. So results are also more than 90% the results are coming.
Right.
So that matters a lot, and everyone can do it. It's not only the only youngsters, the elderly people, even the younger people, everyone can do it easily.
From kids to elderly, anyone can join.
Yes, actually for the kids under 18 years, we strongly recommend that first parents should learn it, and after both of the parents learned it, then they can teach to the kids. Because just like that, we kept that condition. Otherwise, anyone can do it. We'll just counsel, and if they're confident, we may consider it.
It's a good practice.
Yeah.
There's another thing that I want to know. We had to have a pyramid on our top, right?
Yes.
Is it necessary, or it can be done without a pyramid too?
Yes, it can be done without a pyramid. It will give you a complement to your energy field. Otherwise also it's okay, it's good.
Okay.
Yeah, otherwise also it's okay. Basically here, in this Gudakesha workshops, usually hundreds of people will be there. So along with the group meditation energies also will be there. So everywhere, all over the world at the time, certain number of people are there, like-minded people.
Vibrating at the same time, right?
Yeah, at the same time. And this workshop happens in every country at their own time. For example, USA time, UK time, Australia time, and at their own time. Otherwise, Singapore, Dubai, many country people will be coming, and they will be doing according to their own time. That country, 10 people or 20 people or 6 people, they will be having a Zoom session, and we will be guiding them. In their own night time, they will be doing it.
Doing it at home or doing it outdoors, like in some nature, does that make difference?
Yeah, definitely. I would say that. So, if you are doing it home, just keep a window open so that the breeze, fresh air, if it is coming, that will be more helpful, more energetic. So, yeah, that's what I would suggest. May not be outdoors in the night times, probably we don't know.
Just out of curiosity, I wanted to know.
But definitely, if you can have the arrangement of outdoor also with the proper, like without bothering of mosquitoes or any other facilities are there, comfortable place and the air temperature, everything, the comfort is also important, because in the night time we need a little bit comfort.
And what are your future plans?
Yeah, future plans, sir. I'll come with what is happening from the past. In Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna told Arjuna Gudakesha. So he gave guidance to Arjuna that in order to win the war, you get the Pashupatastra, a powerful astra from Shiva. For that one, you meditate all the Aranyavasa time, 13 years. Okay. Then he started meditating. All night also he is meditating, all day also meditating. That's the reason he mastered his sleep. That's the reason he is called Gudakesha. Then for the benefit of the Pashupatastra, he meditated. And after Pashupatastra, probably he stopped the meditation, that all-night meditation also. Here, Patriji himself named this workshop as Gudakesha workshop. And with this name, today already 600 people learned and completed it. successfully. 600 people completed successfully more than 40 days. Some people are meditating from 3 months, some people are meditating from almost 10 months without lying down at all, continuously. So, I would see that Patriji's guidance, under his guidance, Gudakesha technology is going throughout the world very quickly. I was really surprised to see, at the time Sri Krishna told he has only 4 disciples, direct disciples. He taught only to 4 people, Rukmini, Uddhava, Arjuna and Vidura. He taught the subject and spirituality to only 4 people. But now, Patriji's guidance, and it's reaching to many thousands of lakhs of people. It's like going to thousands of people, and afterwards it will go to the lakhs of people also. So that the results were promising. The amazing results are coming. Many people, the moment they learned it, they started teaching to others also. It's all credit goes to Brahmarshi Subhash Patriji's vision.
Right, absolutely. No doubt about that.
Yes. Earlier he used to teach this to only few people, only selected few people. You do all night meditation. But now, because these workshops are happening, he's also telling to international audience, everyone, that all nights should be utilized properly. Meditate all nights. So I'm very happy that he's sharing it in the public throughout the world, everywhere, wherever he's going. He's telling to meditate all night. All night is there for meditation. So at least in the night times, he's saying that 3 hours meditate. Earlier he mentioned body energy amplification technology. How to increase the energy to the fullest, more and more expansion. Body energy amplification, how to increase the energy more and more quickly in a less time. In that one, he said, have a aim. Aim gives half of energies in your life. Have a bigger aim. Second thing is, he says, learn to sit and sleep. So if instead of lying down, if you can able to sit and sleep, that's called sitting and sleeping is meditation, because awareness is automatically added. So automatically energy is more. That's what he was mentioning earlier. And in Pyramid Spiritual Society, many people guided me, and I was getting inspiration. One person, his name is Jeevan. He taught me initially my meditation days. Then he was doing meditation all night. In the night 8 o'clock he used to sit, in the morning 8 o'clock he used to wake up. 12 hours he used to meditate. For 3 months he meditated like that. So like that many people are there, and who are guided me, and because of everyone's guidance and wisdom sharing was utmost. Sajjana Sangacha is amazing in Pyramid Spiritual Society. Once anyone comes to Pyramid Spiritual Society, they cannot go to any other society.
Absolutely.
I went and visited 40 other gurus. Many societies I visited. But nowhere the highest standard, only one guru is there. But here many people are having many experiences.
That's what Patriji says always, everybody is a master.
Yeah, everybody is a master. And now with this Gudakesha, everybody is getting real mastery and great mastery and grand mastery. Everybody is becoming more and more great.
Amazing.
That's really amazing. Yes.
It was really nice to have you on board in our discussion. We had a really fruitful session today. A lot of doubts were cleared, lots of benefits I came to know about Gudakesha. And you can be contacted on YouTube, right? You have this channel. So if you can share it with our viewers.
My YouTube channel is GMPWisdom, and also in Facebook and Instagram also it is available. GMP Wisdom, WISDOM, GMPWisdom. Thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing this information. So definitely this thought about night meditation or Gudakesha, it's the ultimate process of taking rest, energizing yourself, getting enlightenment.